In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to activate a single-use virtual card on Revolut app. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. You can use my affiliate link in the description to create a free Revolut account. If you have a single-use virtual card in Revolut, it provides extra security for online transactions by generating a unique card number for each purchase, reducing the risk of fraud. It also helps protect your main account details from being exposed. To start, open the Revolut app on your mobile device, ensuring that you're logged into your account. Once in the app, locate and tap the card icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. This icon will direct you to the Cards section, where you can manage all card-related options available on Revolut. In the Cards window, you'll see two primary options: Standard and Single-Use. Since we're focusing on the Single-Use virtual card, tap on the Single-Use option. This will take you to the card's settings, where you can control various aspects of your virtual card's use and security. On the Settings page, look for the option labeled Regenerate Details. Tap on it, and you'll receive a notification confirming that your single-use card details have been refreshed. When you see this notification, tap Got It to confirm the update. This process ensures that your card's information is securely refreshed, providing added security for each transaction. Once confirmed, you can exit by returning to the Cards menu and then navigating back to the main homepage of the Revolut app. Your single-use virtual card is now fully updated and ready for use in secure online transactions. You're all set and can now enjoy the added security of Revolut's single-use card feature. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description to create a free Revolut account. Thanks for watching.